Meet the new launches of 2025. Innovation meets beauty, and your business gets the upgrade it deserves. This Black Friday, discover our latest professional machines with up to 50% off, plus extra store-wide savings. Introducing the BS58K1 AriStorm 5-in-1 shape machine. Your next-level body contouring system, precision, power, and elegance combined. 3D 30K EMS cavitation machine. Original, $2,900, now only $2,300. Experience triple power for faster contouring. 5-in-1 scalp care machine. A total upgrade for hair scalp wellness, now available for professionals. Black Friday launch, $789. 6D lipo laser machine. From $1,899, $1,699. More pads, more power, more results. 3-in-1 Tekar therapy machine. Original $705, now $680. Revitalize, recover, and redefine your client's results. Oxygen face mask beauty device. From $1,299, $1,099. Oxygen therapy, the future of facial rejuvenation. Upgrade your beauty business with 2025's latest innovations. Don't miss these limited Black Friday deals only on myChway.com.